Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unbox my new M3 Pro MacBook Pro. Okay, so this is in space black color. So yes, here it is, brand new. Okay, oh, have it. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I'm going to remove really quickly the pull tabs. So this is in space black color or whatever color it's called. By the way, these are cool. Okay. So here we have the MacBook. Okay, three. Okay, I'm going to do an ASMR now. Okay. Okay guys, so the MacBook is on and it looks insane. I'm going to set up and I'm going to come back again. See you in a bit, peace. So okay guys, I just came back. Okay, so yeah guys, I set up entirely the MacBook with some of my apps, but I still have more to do. Well, here we have the ports, by the way. So yes, we have a MagSafe 3, but on the left side, when you open it, we have the MagSafe, 2 USB 4.0 or Thunderbolt, and also a headphone jack. On the other side, well, by the way, on the bottom we have the vents for cooling. On the other side of the Mac we have the micro SD X card, another USB 4. So by the way, all the USB 4 Thunderbolt ports can support up to 40 gigabit per second or 5 gigabyte per second, and also the HDMI 2.1 port, which can support up to 4K 144 Hertz. Yeah, that's a good one. Here we have the vents. Here we have the MacBook logo, which looks insane. Yeah, based on the lighting, it can look it can look black, but mostly it looks dark gray. Okay, so here we have, I just opened it. So yeah, this is my M3 MacBook Pro, M3 Pro MacBook Pro. This has 11 cores CPU, 14 cores GPU, 18 gigs of RAM, LPDDR5 RAM by the way, and a 512 gig SSD. The speed is pretty impressive on the SSD, around 5000, which I'm going to show on my next video, or after that, because I'm going to do first of all for how to install virtual machines on your iPhone and your iPad. So let's just let's leave it open. Let's get the 15 Pro Max. If you have the 15 Pro Max, here is how big it might look compared to it. It's thinner, by the way, which is pretty cool. There you go. So here's what came with in the box. You saw it, but here is the brick. So here is compared to the MacBook Air 13-inch I had, the M1. Here is the difference. As you can see, it's not that much bigger, as being almost twice the wattage. Yeah, it's that. Also, you get a much better cable. You get a MagSafe cable. Yes, it's pretty cool. Here is the box. If you want to compare with all the 15 Pro Max to the laptop, which is definitely bigger. Yes, here it is. And here it is compared to the M1 MacBook Air I had. Okay. So here I was doing some initial benchmarks, which I'm going to show on the next video. So yes, here you can see the difference on the screen size and things like that. So yes, it's definitely bigger, as you can see. The bezels are much thinner, and the size, well, is definitely bigger. Yeah. Here is also the back. Yeah, the Apple logo, by the way, is just insane in here. Okay, so here we have, sorry for this phone. Yes, well, this is a bit thicker, like, it doesn't feel that much thicker, by the way, guys, like YouTubers make it. Like, yeah, it is a bit thicker. But compared to my M1 MacBook Air, it's not that much. By the way, the lid opening is just insane on the M3 MacBook Pro. M3 Pro MacBook Pro, not M3. Right? Okay. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, so I almost forgot to show you the cases. So here is the M3 Pro MacBook Pro case, which you saw it. If you have a M1 MacBook Air, well, here it is. It's definitely smaller. It's definitely thinner. Well, it's smaller in outside. So here it is. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and to tap the ring bell icon. See you on the next video. Peace.